Hi, I have a fantastic bluebeam hack here for you. Such a time saver. It just makes your taking off that much simpler. Got a project here with quite a large floor footprint, and usually get these floor plans over several separate tiles. As you can see here, we have 3 tiles for block A, X, Y and Z that correspond to these 3 drawings. Much easier if we can get them all onto one drawing. Doesn't exist, so we're going to create our own. How we do that, come down here to look at the size of each drawing. I think that's A1, correct me if I'm wrong. So what we do is we'll look at File, New PDF, and we'll set our width at 850, and we'll set our height at 3 times that 594. So if we go 1800 millimeters, leave it at portrait as that's the orientation we want. Click OK, and we've got a new PDF. So we'll proceed to do, go into the first tile, come up to Edit, select Snapshot, or should I say Snapshot, and just copy the whole drawing. I always include the tile because it's just handy for reference. That's now taken a picture of that. In we go, and we paste it into our other drawing. We'll square all these up in a minute. Do the same for the other 2 tiles. Edit, Snapshot, grab the whole thing again into our new document, paste, and finally the third one, edit, square that up the center, edit, Snapshot, third one, and paste. Right, so if we zoom in tight, and I'm sure you've all done this where you've printed out the drawings and folded them and sellotaped them together and what have you. It takes a bit of fiddling around, but I can assure you it saves so much time in the long run, flitting back and forth from tile to tile. Not quite there, are we? Let's get that bang on. There we go. That's the first one. And the final one, if we line up that column there, okay. Now we've got them all into one tile, and if we just go ahead and multi-select, right-click, and I would group those. Grouping just means you're laying them all down flat into one layer, so they're all basically stuck together now. So just in case you inadvertently click, on one of the tiles by mistake when you're actually taking off, and just go ahead and calibrate and flatten. Apply scale and document, flatten. This just removes any other bits and pieces, and then finally file, save as, combined. Close other tabs, and there you have it, ready to be taken off. Hope that helps somebody.